are going to work on how to make your computer ready with airbar.
Don't know what it is? It's a device that allows you to make your computer a touchscreen. It's very frustrating to double click on any icon with touchscreen. It uses a sensor over your computer to make your computer touchscreen. So your computer thinks that you are using a mouse. To stop double clicking problem, let's start. Now click on Start menu here. Now type Control Panel on search. Click on Control Panel. You are almost done. Now search for File Explorer option on search box. Now click on File Explorer option. Now click here with me. Great, you're done. Now you can open a file with one click. If you are using an airbar, you can open with one touch. So thank you for today. See you next time. Work. Thank you for watching. I think it will help. Give a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you loved it.